I'm sorry. I'm Darren Criss. This is Charlene Kaye.
Hi guys. Can we explain what we're about to do?
Yes.
Alright, so here's the deal guys. I agree with you. Typically it's not too smart if you're playing, if you're like the later acts to come out earlier. It doesn't make a whole lot of sense, it's kind of premature. But Charlene and I met at the University of Michigan when we were freshmen. College, yeah. Here's the deal.
It's kind of Ann Arbor takes New York.
You guys should know something, that we met playing open mics and just trying to get to know the music scene of Ann Arbor. We were both hip to an artist that kind of changed the course of our musical lives. And it's an amazing Norwegian singer-songwriter by the name of Charlene Kaye, who is here tonight! So it's an absolute dream come true for me and Charlene, so we have to sing this song whether he likes it or not. But to share with you, if you've never heard of him, Charlene Kaye basically formed every bit of songwriting that I ever sought out to do. The same with Charlene.
Oh, I covered so many songs in college.
So thank you, Sandra. We love you.
Thank you, Sandra. Might I add that our drummer Dave Heisman also plays drums in Sandra, which is very serendipitous and awesome. But yeah, this is really exciting for us because we played this at open mics in Ann Arbor, and really that's all we ever wanted to do with our lives.
I'm terrified of getting the words wrong, so he's here. Check him out, this song is called Modern Nation.
I know the words. I can do it, I know the words.
The moment has come to face the truth, and so are you. Do you have a clue what this is? Are you everything that I miss? We'll just have to wait and see.
If things go right, we're meant to be. The surface is gone, we scratched it off. I made some plans to let them go. Do you have the slightest idea why the world is bright when you're here?
Is that so?
So we'll have to wait and see. If things go right, we're meant to be. Oh, what a world this life could be. Forget all your technicolor dreams. Forget Mother Nature. This is how it's meant to be.
The time is here for being strong. Time to go, people say I should watch my...
What do they know?
Think of how you spend all
Don't
your
hope so.
We'll just have to wait and see. If things go right,
we'll have to agree. Oh, what a world this life could be. Forget all your technicolor dreams. Forget Mother Nature. This is how it's meant to be.
do you have the slightest idea why the world is bright when you meet? We'll just have to wait and see.
If things go right, we'll have to agree. Oh, what a world this life could be. Forget all your technicolor dreams. Forget Mother Nature. This is how it's meant to be. Forget Mother Nature. This is how it's meant to be.
Get off the stage.
Oh, my heart's been trying time and again. I always thought that it was me, but I see now just how wrong I was. No, I haven't known you for a lifetime, but somehow I've never been more sure that you're for me. Oh,